So a lot of you guys, including myself, have been trying to figure out a way to add music to our Instagram stories that is longer than 15 seconds. I did some more research, and all I can say is don't use Instagram stories if you want longer music.
But Joe, why can't I?
Simple answer, Instagram won't allow it. It just won't happen. I honestly recommend that you use Reels that'll give you 30 seconds of a clip instead of the 15 that Stories gives you. So basically, we're gonna jump into Instagram real quick, and I'm gonna show you how to set up a Reels video and post it to your Reels, and a few other things to help you get some views on your Reels. All right, so here we are in the Instagram app, and at the top corner, you want to press on the square with the plus inside of it. Then on the bottom, slide over and select Reels. Now from there, you can either record a reel or take a previously recorded reel. And once I select this video in my library, I'm going to press add in the top right corner. We want to add music next, obviously, because that's the point. So press the music note on the left-hand side and find your music, then press done. Now press the right arrow, and on this screen, you can take your audio out and only have the song that you just added into the mix if you wanted to. Now once you're done, add any stickers or effects, press the share button in the bottom right. I toggle off the share to feed button, but that's totally up to you if that's what you want to do or not. Now once you share your reel, you'll go into your profile page and find your Reels tab. And then you're going to select the video you just posted and press the little airplane icon. Then you can add your reel to your story. This will still cut it down to 15 seconds, but it is a way to promote the full video that you just posted to your Reels. So the bottom line is that if you have clips longer than 15 seconds, post it to Instagram Reels. Now, if not, then keep using stories. And if you really don't like that and you want to try a different way to make your music longer, here's a video right here for you to watch next. And it's the only way I really know of how to make your Instagram stories music longer. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.